Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, I am going to be installing this beautiful, lovely baby on a model. This unit is from Amazon. Of course, I will leave the description in the box so you guys can see where it is from. The curls are very nice. I actually lifted the color. I just washed and conditioned it again, because I like for when my models come, the hair is smelling nice and fresh. And I used Taraji P. Henson's Make It Rain. And this baby looked like she's been standing in the rain. So let's get started. I'm gonna put her under the dryer, set her up, and get her ready for installation in a few. Now I'm just gonna use a little bit of Taraji P. Henson's Make It, well, this is the Ride or Die. And it's a detangle and leave-in conditioner. It smells so good, guys, and it protects, condition, and detangles. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this on the hair. And this hair is so soft, guys. This vendor got some nice quality hair. And of course, I'll be using a little bit of Lotta Body, Love Lotta Body to mousse to hold this baby down.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong